Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to set up NexusPay app. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing to do is to download the NexusPay app on your device. If you're an Android user, just go to your Google Play Store. Then if you're an iOS user, go to your Apple Store, then use the search icon, search for the NexusPay by Deutsche Bank, then install the app on your phone. So once the app is installed, open the app on your smartphone. Then from there, you have to register for an account. So to do this, tap on the register or sign up option, then provide the required information, which is mobile phone number. Then once that is done, enter your active Bangladesh phone number, your email address, provide that also with your national ID, which is your NID. Input your NID number for verification together with your date of birth. Then create a PIN to secure your account. Usually the PIN is to be in 4-digit number just to secure your accounts. And after that, you have to verify your mobile number. So you will receive an OTP, which is the one-time password used in SMS. Then enter the OTP in the app to verify your phone number. So once that is done, the next thing to do is to link your bank account. So after successful registration, log into the app again, then navigate to the add account or link bank account section, then provide your Deutsche Bank account settings, which is your account number, then the account type, which can be the savings or current, then enter the branch name to specify your account branch. Then after that, you have to set up your security features. So to do this, you have to enter the additional security features for enhanced protection, which is biometric authentication. You can also set a transaction PIN just to set up your security features and make it account a little bit more protected. Then after that, you have to review all provided information for accuracy, then confirm and complete the setup process. And that's how you can simply set up your NexusPay app. If any video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.